In this video, I will be showing you how I made this banner for my YouTube channel. This is the first website I'll recommend to you to get a background art for your banner. You can choose from different backgrounds from the categories on the left side, and you can download the image in various resolutions. You will get the solution to make the banner in this video, so do subscribe now and like the video. On the second website, you can directly select any template and edit it and download it for free. I have made my channel art in Procreate app. You can download free fonts and Procreate brush set from the link given in the description. All the links are given in the description. Do check it out for more. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel, and with that, do like and share the video.